What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
What a go on, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. What a go on, how you do? You know, all right? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you don't feel no pain. And if you feel any pain, remember if you do, just check the doctor. Guys, wellness check. Please, me I beg you, do no wellness check. Check for friends and family so each and every one can be good and you know that them all right. Domestic violence is on a rise, guys. And guys, also, guys, check out, I have a video I want to post, but I have to do some work on it first before I post it because it is very disturbing things that happen in my parish, Portland. So remember, the guys them out there, so make up on your mind, talk of it talk, and show who if you show. Tomorrow your birthday, happy birthday. If today your birthday, happy birthday today. If tomorrow your birthday, happy birthday when it come. And happy belated birthday to you. Guys, have any of you watched the SHOWS Smith video in Canada? Have any of you watched Miguel Smith in Canada? Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this.
My name's Andrea. Let me tell you how I found colors. Testimonial. I found colors. And you guys can look it up. Miss Little had a video. Something about a rooster that she had to cook, a troublesome rooster. Oh yeah. And at the time when I found this video, I was really sick. I went through a lot, guys. I lost everything I loved in life except my children. And I couldn't go no more. I was like, done. I got really, really sick. And when I tell you guys, after Miss Little's video, Miss Colaz came on in his little shorts. Let it out, let it out. And when I tell you guys,
give him a round of applause. Yeah! One Colaz. Canada brings two colors to you. Canada loves you. Thank you, Colaz.
I was so sick, guys. I almost died. I almost lost my life. And I'm telling you, I'm an English mystery person. I don't want you to, never in my life. This month I'm 61 years old. And all my life, all I've ever done was work hard. And I never did fun stuff. But anyway, I never watched YouTube. And I was so sick in my bed. And I cried. When I tell you, Father God are the greatest. I cried and I begged God, please help me, help myself. Help me get up out of this bed. And I said to him, if you sent me a sign, how would I know? Will I know that sign? Hallelujah! And that's when I didn't even know what a thumbnail was. And I saw big up Miss Little Hot Kitchen. Yes. I saw Miss Little's video about cooking a troublesome rooster. And I'm from Clarendon, Rocky Point, Clarendon. Big up Rocky Point. And I just said to myself, a rooster, you can't cook a rooster. So I clicked on it to see. And then after I watched that video, Colaz video came on in his brown shorts. And let me tell you guys, I started watching Colaz. And you know when he starts his video, you know the drone shots. And that song, trust me, my heart, because I was so homesick. I haven't been home since COVID. And I was so homesick. And my heart just started, you know, and my chest got heavy. And I got excited. And I started watching this man, this young lady. I couldn't go to the washroom without her carrying me or anybody else in my family. And I started watching Colaz. I wouldn't listen to them when they were telling me, Mom, you're going to be okay. I wouldn't listen to none of them. I remember I told you I asked God to help me and send me a sign. And I truly believe that sign was that video that day. And if I didn't click on it, I would never have found Colaz. That's why I say, and I tell everybody that will listen, that this man saved my life. He didn't physically do it, but he did it because God sent him as the messenger. Somebody I would listen to. And when he stood there, it's as if he was talking.
So you see what me show you a while ago. So let me see if we can ask you a question. Did you see that welcome? Did you see that walk up? Did you really take a good look upon Colaz Smith in Canada? When you see Colaz Smith in Canada, yeah, how do you feel? Now, my question to you is, how do you feel when you see Colaz in Canada getting that response, that kind of energy going towards? How do you feel? What's that one here? What's the next clip here? What's the next clip here? So did you all see the Canada crew, Colaz cry? This is not the first time Colaz get that kind of warm welcome and cry. This is not the first time. I remember Fort Lauderdale when he was getting that plaque that not many people in the United States get, and he do not live in this country. Now, when I watch the video and I see all what I go on, and first, let me say this. One thing I see happen, and I feel good about it. And I don't want nobody come say nothing, because none of you know me. Not one of you know me. What I like about the Canada thing is that Jamaica Newtfi get the opportunity to meet Colaz Smith in person. Yes, me like that. Me like that. Me and Newtfi don't have nothing. Newtfi is just a person like me, human being, a man, a content creator. That's all. But me feel good saying get the opportunity to meet Colaz Smith. One day I may meet Colaz Smith to myself. Yeah, man, one day. I don't know which day. I don't know when, I don't know which day. But one day. But that was good. I feel nice for him. Big up yourself, you. One day thing. So life go. Anyway, back to the meat of the matter. When me watch the Colaz Smith video, I see where the people up in Canada. And when I check it out, you see the brother where, me show you something. You see the brother where she colors and at the door, a Portland man that. You can't tell him name, where he live, where he come from, him brother and sister, and hunting cousin, everybody. Them the man, them know them the man, they good. Them the man, they know me too. Me and them the man, they got school. So guys, I just saw the thing go. The world we live in, it's a big place, small still. But listen to me, good. The vibes where Colaz get from the Canada people, nice, smooth, warm, welcome, modest, finest, diligentest. But oh yeah, you never know say me I come with this. You never know say me I come with this. You know me stay now. Me always look for certain thing to talk about. Me no want to talk about what everybody a talk about. Me I talk about something different. Now I want to talk to all of you content creators will make videos about Colaz Smith. All myself. Now, do you see how Colaz was presented, whatever word you want to use? Do you see how the people love him? You hear the lady say, leave him alone? You hear? The lady say, leave him alone? Now, my question to all of you who make, listen me good now, not the ones who make the bad videos about Colaz, me attack. Me attack the ones who make good videos about Colaz. Now tell me something. When you watch that video that in Canada and the way Canada people treat him, he all cry. When you watch that video, how you feel within yourself knowing that you make good videos about Colaz, but you and the other person will make good videos about Colaz a cuss and have fight and have war. How do you all feel? How do you all feel to see Colaz get such a warm welcome in our next country when him no born? All him have is a visa. Him live there. How do you feel knowing that him get that kind of warm welcome while you know out there a fight and cuss and call on yourself Colaz vlogger? Well, you don't call on yourself Colaz vlogger, but you don't make videos about Colaz. Like the only thing you don't make video about is when him a go to bathroom. Every movie is one video, which I have no problem that I phone business that. But how do you all feel knowing that the love where Colaz get and you claim so you love him, but you claim so you love him, but you are bicker amongst one another? Now my question to all of you: what if Colaz should say him a go have a meet and greet, and he would have like all the content creators where respect him, like him, come at the meet and greet. And if me go at the meet and greet and me see you over there, so me nah go come call to you or talk to you because me and you no deal. And why me and you no deal? Why me and you no deal? Because of the same man we invite you to the thing. We just hate with one another because we believe we own part-time body. Aye. Now you see what me I say. So my thing is, why the fussing and fighting and cussing and the man is living his best life? Why the cussing and fighting while Colaz Smith is living his best life? I personally believe he should have, if he stop this back and forth, this bickering, this, and I go say this. And me go say this. And the reason why me go say this is because this is why me and enough people in an argument. So me pick and choose whose channel me watch. Yeah, man. Me pick and choose whose channel me watch. And you know why me do that? Because sometimes you go on people's channel and you hear something and you see them in a comment section. And it trigger your brain. And it cause problem. And guess what? The next thing is my number, they up there. But me not take any call. Or if the person call me, I mean I want that person to call me again, I put it in the phone as never answer. Yes, me just put them name in the phone and write never answer. And that phone will ring till Die Kingdom come. Now answer it because it come up said never answer. And guys, why me I say that is this. When you go up on everybody live, not live, well live on everybody video, you're going to see people talking things. And I go say something, about something that happened the other day when Dana British said, then threaten her. Listen to me good now. I'm going to say this. Now, when a person send you information, it is good, but it's also good to vet the information. It's also good to sit on the information and ask yourself the question. People have all right to say whatever they want to say out of their mouth. Nobody can stop no one from saying anything. Cyberbullying right now is one of the biggest danger in the world. How you're going to be cyberbullied? If you're on social media, if you're on the media, people is going to cyberbully you to the next power. How can you stop it? You can't stop cyberbullying, but you can report it. I'm going to say this. When a person, left that alone, me could go back to something and talk about it. What me I really want to say to each and every one of you is, it is a shame to know that you all are the person who making videos calling Colaz Smith name. But if Colaz should call and say, yo, me I go have a party, I would have like all the people who, listen to me. I mean, you know why I say this? Me left that right there because, guys, sometimes I want to say something, but me do not like to, if me decide to me not call a name, me just not call it, because sometimes them say prevention is better than cure, because sometimes it's best you left certain thing which party there, and that's what me go do. But you guys have to think. You guys are supporting Colaz by talking. Right now, Colaz have what? 233,000 subscribers. That's a whole heap of subscribers. You might go to 250. 250 I come up quick. I remember when I 150. I remember when I 200. I was the one who started the campaign. Yeah, I was the one who started them campaign. About 200,000 subscribers. Yeah, I was it. I think I started 152. But I don't quote me on that. Quote me, I mean. But guys, to be honest with you, after me watch Colaz Smith up in Canada there, I cry and all them things. Me really realize that they love him. The people love him. Do you out there who's making videos, do you also want to be loved by these people? I don't mean love to get the information. I mean love to be, you see one of them and they're handing you an envelope for your family, your daughter. And then other people say, oh, I have this for that person. How do you? And see, Colaz out there selling merch. So you might go, so you might sell merch. People, think no man. Sit down and think and stop this stupidness. Stop this stupidness. I saw, and I go say this, and to be honest with you, I go be straightforward. I do not want anybody to listen to me and say, and come back at me. Because me not in for it. I want to know how me stay. When me a dig, me a dig. I listened to a video the other day. I was on a live. People may have to say this, you know. I was on a live the other day. Whose live was I on? Dana British. I was on Dana British live. And to be honest with you, I was listening, but I was wondering why Dana British acting like that. But I didn't write nothing. All I do, I thumbs up the live. I didn't write anything. But when Dana messed me up, was when Dana said, come kiss our black. Yeah, she get me right, sir. Yeah, right there was when I leave the live. I could not stay in that live anymore. I gotta be honest with you. When she said that, that was when I leave the live. And I'm not telling a person what to do. I just take myself away from it. Because I did not see it fits in there. I did not see that fit in that statement at all. I see a hunger, I see an aggression, I see a person who do not want to calm nothing. I saw a person who just want to war. And using Colaz Smith name. And then go and do all these kind of things just don't make no sense. It doesn't say excitement. It doesn't say excited. It doesn't say fun. It does not say wow. It say wow, but wow with a different wow. Did she just say that? And guys, I am not here to beat down Dana British. Dana British is a big lady, big married lady. Says she go to church. Me not laugh after you, Dana. Me not laugh, but me I say to myself, say, why it reach this so? Why it reach at that level where people is telling people to go and kiss them black, whatever? Why it reach this so? Guys, it not sound good. And remember, you know, me I tell you, you know, and remember me tell you, say, me used to make videos. Me and Daddy Gaga did a go at it, you know, brother. Remember that, you know. And you know, notice, me not do them things again. Me not jump in valves. Me just not jump in at them things again. Enough thing me see a go on the social media there, where me can say something about, you know. Some of them may have information about them. Or some of them can give me opinion. But Me just want to steer away from some of those things. And some things, let me say this. Some things, the reason why I stay away to is because somebody may say something to me and me just don't want to get involved because I will continuously protect a person if a person says something to me. So even though somebody may say something, me may not say nothing because I don't want nobody to know what that person tell me. And I just sit down on it because I'm a big grown man who have respect for people, and it doesn't matter what them say or do to me. Now, I really want to really say it out of my mouth to the best of my ability that people should at least sit down and watch the Canada video. Watch the Canada video. Tell yourself that, you know what, me need to do better. I believe that a person should at least do that when it comes on to that specifically movement. I believe that somebody must come out of themselves and say, you know what? Enough is enough. And I go say something too. You know, when you're there on YouTube and you start YouTube to build a brand, yeah? And you say to yourself, say, you want to build yourself a brand. But you have that person over there so I try to break your brand. You have that person over there so I try to break down your brand. Break down what you are doing and I try to make what you are doing look like stupidness. That is where me see I go on. Listen to what Colaz Smith say. Colaz Smith say in break whole heap of barriers. Listen me good. Me been saying it, you know. Colaz I follow the footstep smartly under the quiet off. I show speed. Colaz is following the footstep of I show speed. Because traveling to different places, to different areas, so that people can meet you and greet you and talk to you and all those kind of things. Those are good things to do as content creators. Guys, to be honest with you, those are the things I'm doing, taking time, little by little. It's only that I am such a donkey person sometimes. I have the content, I make the videos, but I just don't post the videos. But guys, listen to what me I say. Good. The opportunity is out there. The opportunity is out there to blow up in a social media. The money is down there on social media. The money is in there. Go get that money. Go make that money. Leave the fussing and the fighting. You know, hear the song say, stop your fighting. Dennis Brown said that, you know. Dennis Brown sing that song years ago. Dennis Brown dead and gone, long time. Stop your fighting. Yeah, man, stop the fighting. Stop the stupidness. Look how colors are flourish and are fly. Colaz Smith are fly like a robin. At least, guys, you all can see that colors, see what colors are doing. Look how colors are operate. And at least say to yourself, you know what? You go cut out this stupidness. You go try to be better than Colaz Smith. Go hard still, but yeah, you go hard. But at least tell yourself that. Don't tell yourself, oh yeah, I want to be like Colaz Smith. No, always want to be above him. If you see Bill Gates, yes, tell yourself that you're going to be richer than Bill Gates. So that means if Bill Gates have 1 million, you have 2 or 5 or 10. Because you want to be bigger than him. Don't tell yourself that you're going to be like him. Yeah, don't tell yourself that. Don't be littling yourself like that. Tell yourself that you will be a billionaire or a trillionaire. Colaz open the door for a lot of people. Listen to me good. A lot of people sit down and look at life different and believe that because Colaz, I do this, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. It may not be that strong or that, because everybody is different. 7 brothers, 7 different minds, but you can do it. But how you going to do it? You got to get up and go out there and do the thing, do the work, put in the work, stop the cussing, stop the fighting. Yeah, man, stop the cussing and the fighting, man. It's not necessary, brother. The cussing and the fighting not necessary. It start to look stupid. It start to look stupid. And listen to me now. Me I go say this. I mean, I'll be thrown bush when I say this. If I respect a person, like let's say I respect Colaz Smith. I'll be honest, you know. Let's say I respect Colaz Smith and I vlog about Colaz Smith and I like how Colaz Smith operate and I like what I do. And there's a person who talk bad about Colaz Smith. Do you think I, Rodney, would be a friend of that person? Or would you think I would go on that person live and talk to that person or reflect anything to that person? Do you think Rodney's lifestyle would do that? Comment down below if you think I would do that. Even though me go answer. Hell to the no. If me knew, if me and you are friend, if me respect you, me like how you operate, and me I do and things on the behalf of you, and you are talk bad about the person me I do things about, you believe me and that person are going to be in any kind of relationship? Nope. And this is why. If I have respect for a person and you is going to beat him down, and when I find out and realize what you're beating him down for don't make no sense, I would not join with you at all. I wouldn't talk to you. I would lose that respect for you. Because what you're doing is tearing down somebody who don't need and should not be tearing down. So I wouldn't go on your live. I wouldn't go on your channel. I wouldn't do nothing. Yes. I may say that. And them say, you throw a rock stone in a pig pen, the one with squeal, I may catch. Me no really tell nobody say squeal, me just attack my mind. I may attack my opinion. Yeah, because of how me see it. And if me see it that the way I saw it go. And if me tell myself, say, I saw me if you talk, I saw me attack. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know how it go and you don't know if you find me. Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. So, no watch, no face, enough respect. And guys, remember, when you see how Colaz Smith I get, they welcome them. Me know no one get them welcome there too. Even if you don't want to get them welcome there, me know you want people for respect too. So me a ask, and me a wonder, and me a beg. When the foolishness go stop. My viewers and subscribers, I will see you in the next video. I'm out. Bye-bye.